Here we have to put the units. Okay, there are units. We have to click one of them, like breakfast menus or still hungry. We have to click one of them. Okay, I will click the still hungry. Then we will come to the icon. We have to click on that, and there will be like we can choose the activity type. Okay, we have to choose one of them. Like here we will like our topic was create sentences. We have to use here grammar practice. Okay, we have to choose this one, and we have to click mark. Okay, when we click the mark, this was the one, and when we want to choose another one, we have to click on the icon, and we will go to the it means like we can select the dictation, and this will be the another one. Now I have to click the mark and again mark, and now I want to transfer this new creating path to students. I have to click on the students. Yeah, I have given the title. The title was the create sentences.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I will choose here the shared folder. Okay, I have to click on the mark, and now we have to choose the students that to whom we should send these files. Okay, I have to click on the icon. In here we can choose one of them, like that will be me. Okay, I want to send this these items to my own self. I have to click on the mark and again, and it's done. Okay, now if I go to my own account and tell me more, I can find the there. Okay, I will now. Okay, now I will go to the tell me more. Oh, what's
Just okay.
okay?
Click okay. And then
Okay.
locate that.
Okay. Okay, you have to give your name here, username, Adel Shams, and password, and you have to click on the start. And our
I don't
lesson,
think it matters which lesson family, because you're going to see the...
yeah, I'm sure that I think we selected the intermediate, yeah.
I think no matter what lesson family you choose, you'll see the path in there.
Yeah. Now I should select the mark, okay?
No matter which one you choose, the path that was assigned to you, you're going to see it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. You don't
Okay.
have to worry about them getting into the right path.
Now we have to choose the guided mode. Okay, we have to choose the guided mode. We have to select on that, and now we will see what happens. Okay, this is the
So you want to go down to the bottom
Yeah.
where you choose at the very bottom, that second icon. Now you can choice a learning path.
yeah. It means like you can choose there. There are like sentence practice. We did that in that.
So
We
did that
can do
earlier,
it.
right? Then
Yeah.
you scroll down. I think it'd be at the top, so I think it's just taking a minute
Yeah.
to get to you.
Yeah, my topic was create sentences, and that's already there. We have that sentence practice. Yeah, sentence practice, not create sentences.
Well, congratulations. We did it. We got through the whole thing. Create sentences city.
Da, sentence practice. Anda. Create now. Yeah, kino ka anda ni karo.
Hold on. Let's take his first question and let's review something, another thing that we determined. Go ahead.
So you remember there are like language, grammar, etc. They have all the list. even when you move the cursor on the picture, it should be even more easy if you take from there out from the picture. So one of the questions we didn't know why our circle is there. But when you go there, the circle shows like, oh, this is grammar, this is all this stuff.
Okay, okay, okay.
You know, I want to come back to that because I didn't quite understand that. However, I want to show something here. Oh, remember when we assign these, remember we had function 1, 2 for 7 levels. We had 2 different functions.
Yes.
You could assign those. Or you could do the whole thing. Remember, like complete beginners, 15 hours. You could have the students just go into it, or you could assign it. The things are already created. If you want to assign specific topics, look in the help manual, and it'll say level 1, topic 5 is friends and family. So you can assign those. So you have 2 choices there. You can either tell the students just go in and do function 2 from the learning path, or you can assign it to them.
Okay, here we go. I found the create sentences. Now
That's
you can
right.
see that.
Yes.
Because here I selected the intermediate class. But
There was an interview.
before I selected intermediate.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I gave you false information. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I warned you guys about him. I warned you about him. So you have to choose you created an intermediate.
The right one, yeah.
You have to have the right level.
That's why we wouldn't find it there.
Where you want to put it?
Alright. Gotcha. Good. I'm glad this is clarified. So we have to have the right level, and then they'll find the path that's been created. Okay. All problems are solved. And Israr, can